Hi, I'm Poh and I'm about to share with you my kale, coconut and beetroot curry, and I'm going to make that in my Crockpot Express Easy Release Oval Multi-Cooker. Now this recipe is vegan and it's really delicious. So we're going to start with onion. So I'm just going to dice this. This is young ginger. I'm all about shortcuts, don't need to peel it. You want about a tablespoon. If you've never prepared kale before, all you need to do is just strip the leafy part from the stalk. So I'm just going to chop that up very roughly. I used to have a bit of an aversion to kale because it was just a little bit too trendy, but I love it now. This is proper, no stress cooking. The other star ingredient in this recipe is, of course, the beetroot. You'd never think to put beetroot in a curry, but its robust flesh really holds up well with heavy cooking. And of course, it imparts the most vibrant colour through the curry. I love that colour. Quarter these and then slice. Everything's prepped, we're ready to go. So I'm going to start with saute, start, stop. In goes olive oil, and we're going to add onions, cumin, turmeric, chili flakes, if you're not a fan of chili, omit, and curry leaves. This is actually not something you can omit. It forms quite a large part of the flavour profile. Cook that until those spices smell really nice and toasty. If you think it looks a bit dry, just go for more oil. It's all about following your instinct. This recipe is one of those great bulk recipes, and that's what I love about the Crockpot. It just makes meal prep so brilliant. Come home, defrost some stuff, dinner's on the table. Brilliant. Next goes in the ginger. And now it's just bung in the remaining ingredients. Kale, lentils, stock, the beetroot, coconut. Oh, there's so much goodness in here. Okay, the pressure's on. Get it? I'm gonna press start, stop, pop the lid on, lock. Let's make sure the steam release dial is on closed, and then we press rice grains and then start, stop. I think I might go in and have a cuppa. Whoa. That's a riot of colour in there. So with the rice grains setting, I love using it for any pulses. We usually have to do the soak overnight and then it takes quite a long time to boil. In here, 12 minutes, straight, dry. Amazing. So this is my kale, coconut and beetroot curry cooked in my Crockpot Express Easy Release Oval Multi-Cooker.